What is happening, everyone? Steve Taylor here from Alternative Payments. We are going to start a new series of videos on Mondays where we show you how to get the most from our platform. Today, I want to show you how to configure AutoPay when billing out of HaloPSA. We're going to assume you've already discussed this with your team internally, notified customers of your intentions, and all that good stuff. So first up, in HaloPSA, you're going to want to select Settings and then Agreements. Next, we'll scroll down to Agreement Subtype and pick that. You'll see I've already created 3 subtypes here, but you can create however many you want and name them whatever you want. I recommend having a subtype specifically for your managed services agreements and another for time and materials or project work. You can create additional types based on your own lines of business, like VoIP, managed Wi-Fi, physical security, and whatever else. Now that we've created our subtypes, you can go through and assign agreements to the appropriate subtypes. Let's be honest, you're probably only worried about assigning the managed ones to start because you want to put collecting your revenue on autopilot. The last thing to do is in the Alternative Payments dashboard. Here, you'll go to Automations and AutoPay Rules. On the top, you'll select Add a Rule. The first condition you have to set up on all AutoPay rules, and it's when to collect the payment. You may do it at the time the invoice was created, or you may decide to do it on a number of days before or after it's due. Choosing 0 days before or after will do it on the due date. Now we want to add another condition. Let's choose HaloPSA contracts as the condition, and then you can select what invoice types you want to be automatically paid. I'll choose Managed here. Once you hit Confirm, it will automatically process all invoices that meet the conditions, including invoices that did meet the conditions. For example, if you have it configured to charge invoices on the due date, invoices that were due 4 days ago will still get automatically processed and the ACH or credit card charged. And that's our AutoPay feature in a nutshell. As Apple would say, we think you're going to love it.